In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a Shopify store. We are going to focus on 4 essentials inside your Shopify admin: setting up your legal policies, adding products, and then configuring shipping and delivery with the right zones and rates. Follow along slowly because these settings affect customer trust and the checkout experience. First, set up your legal policies. From your Shopify admin, open Settings, then go to Policies. Here you will see options for key documents like your refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. Use the Create from Template option for each one. The templates give you a strong starting point with standard language, but you should still read through everything carefully and make sure it matches how your store actually operates. For example, confirm your return window, any restocking fees, how refunds are issued, and how customer data is handled. Clear policies reduce confusion and help prevent disputes later, especially once orders start coming in. Next, add your products. Go to Products, then select Add Product. For each item, enter a clear title that customers can understand at a glance. Then write a description that explains what the product is, who it is for, and what makes it valuable. Keep it easy to scan and focus on the benefits as well as key details. After that, upload your media. Use high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles, with good lighting and a clean background whenever possible. Finally, set your price. Double-check that it matches your intended margins and confirm it is consistent with any marketing you plan to run. Now move into shipping. Go back to Settings, then open Shipping and Delivery. This is where you control where you ship and what customers pay at checkout. Take a moment to review the current shipping profile because this connects directly to your products and order fulfillment. Then create your shipping zones. Add the regions or countries you want to ship to, and be intentional here. For each zone, define your shipping rates. You can choose flat rates, which are simple fixed costs, or calculated rates, which can adjust based on factors like carrier pricing or order details. When setting rates, aim for clarity and predictability and make sure the costs align with your actual shipping expenses so you do not lose money on delivery. Once these pieces are in place, your store will be ready for customers to browse, understand your policies, and check out with accurate shipping. That covers everything you need to know.